What happens when human imagination meets the power of artificial intelligence? The answer will redefine the creativity forever. Hey there, I am Sam, and welcome to GenBeta Knowledge. The future of creativity has already begun. What happens when human imagination meets the power of artificial intelligence? Together, they can create something extraordinary. Artists are no longer limited by tools or time. With AI, ideas can become visuals in seconds. Transforming imagination into stunning digital art. Writers now have a new creative partner, artificial intelligence. It helps them explore ideas, shape stories, and write faster than ever before. From melody to rhythm, AI is transforming music creation. It helps musicians compose, mix, and experiment with sounds beyond imagination. In filmmaking and animation, AI is becoming the silent co-director. From scene generation to video enhancement, it makes creativity even faster, smarter, and limitless. This is not man versus machine. This is man with machine. Working together to build the future of imagination. From students to designers, from filmmakers to teachers, AI is now everyone's creative partner. It's changing how we think, learn, and express ourselves. The next generation of creativity won't be just human. It will be human imagination enhanced by the artificial intelligence. AI is not replacing us. It's helping us dream bigger, create smarter, and imagine without limits. Welcome to the future of creativity. Subscribe GenBeta Knowledge and stay inspired.